Good evening. Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals and Bullion.com in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Got the live John Pennekamp camera up right now. A little bit choppy right there. I don't think my internet connection is too good, or either that or I need to clean up my computer here a bit. A little bit slow on the action there, but what the heck are those? Very beautiful fish. Orange and red and white, all kinds of cool colors. Well, anyway, we're not here to talk about fish. We're here to talk about the markets today and what else. Listen, it's going to be a super quick video tonight. Not a lot to talk about other than maybe some premiums and a few other things. So it's not going to take a long time to get through this one. Let's take a look at the prices overall in the markets here right now. Let's see if the markets are open again. And no, open in about 11 minutes, but 1673 was the close today in the aftermarkets. The high is 1678, the low is 1662. Folks, this is bargain frickin' prices with gold right now. Premiums seem to have dropped a little bit as far as gold eagles and other things. I'll get into that in a moment as well, and what the best deals are. Again, very short video tonight. Silver looking like it was going to be below 1900 on the close today. Did not close below 1900, sat at around 1905 on the close. And again, markets, overnight markets, the crooked overnight markets open in about 11 minutes. But who cares, folks? Anything at these prices, these levels in the crooked COMEX markets, again, where the price discovery is made, are just bargain basement, man. I mean, you're stealing metal. At 1673 gold, $19 silver, platinum at 888, below 900. You're stealing this metal, folks. As long as you're not paying ridiculous premiums, and don't get me wrong, the premiums are high in a lot of this stuff. You're stealing this stuff. You really are. My gosh, you're stealing a 5,000-year-old asset, a trusted asset, for just rock bottom fire sale prices. Keep stacking if you can. If you don't have the money to stack, you already have. Even at higher levels, relax. Your day will come. But no less, not much to talk about here in the crooked COMEX markets. Prices are still like fire sale dirt cheap. Keep buying at these levels. Again, try not to buy the high premium stuff. And really, I said this is going to be a super short video. Again, we're not going to talk about news or anything else right now. Premiums are down a little bit. There's still the best deals out there. Let me just check on my cheat sheet here and see where we're at as far as gold. Best deals in gold out there are still the gold 1 ounce bars in cards. That would include what we sell mostly here is the Valcombi bars and the orange cards. Great product. Been dealing with them for years and years and years. And any of the good 1 ounce gold products or any of the good 1 ounce gold bars products out there are probably a spot plus $74 or less. And again, I'm going to keep my advertising real short here. As you know, we advertise to beat here. We advertise to beat APMEX, SD, and JM Bullion on their products for gold, silver, and platinum. Not on the shiny shit, not on the overpriced stuff, but on the reasonably priced products. We'll beat APMEX, JM, and SD Bullion on their deals. And the local guys, of course. I'll get into how you can reach us if you want to buy gold and silver from us personally. But no less, folks, whether you're buying from us, anyone else, the best deal out there is still gold bars, spot plus $74 or less. I believe, let me just take a look at KRs. KRs are very limited out there, limited availability. Premiums are probably going to be about, on KRs, again, limited availability out there across the whole marketplace. And I'd say about spot plus 45, 55, all right, about $95, maybe $100 over spot on KRs. What's the next best deal out there? Maple Leafs, not really. Maple Leafs have gone up in value. Maple Leafs are probably sitting around that 25, about another $20. Wow, $120 over spot. Oddly enough, gold eagles have dropped a little bit, about $10 per ounce. You should be able to pick them up for spot plus 220 or less. I still wouldn't recommend them. Recommend them. Gold bars are the best deal out there, no matter how you slice it and dice it. Been a long day, folks. Let's take a look at what the best deals in silver are. They're still Kilo bars. For some reason, Kilo bars, there's a mass production out there of Kilo bars by a lot of the big companies. And silver, let me type in silver because we're going to see gold bars. Wouldn't recommend them right now unless you're a whale and buying huge silver. Gosh, come on, silver. The best deal out there right now, and I have a great deal on them, is Kilo silver bars. We have metal ore bars right now, which are on par with Valcombis, and I can beat the prices of Atmex, SD, and JM Bullion on Valcombi bars, and they are far cheaper than 1 ounce bars, far cheaper than 10 ounce bars, and even cheaper than 100 ounce bars. They are the best deal out there right now. So if you live in South Florida, come by and see us at Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. Or if you want to buy more than 2,500 ounces of silver, check us out. And you live anywhere in the continental U.S., check us out at conciergebullion.com. And hey, that's my dad giving me a call. Okay, I have to call him back here in a few moments. There. Sorry about that. And again, Kilo bars are the best deal out there. And I'll beat Atmex, SD, and JM. I guess I just repeated myself. All right, let me move along here to yesterday's video, which was a little bit on the harsh side. Comex scumbags at it again. Someone asked me, said, Brian, you seemed a little bit angry yesterday. And you know what? It's hard not to get pissed off at criminals and crooks, whether it's politics or economic. You know how I feel. You look at them and you say, how the frick did they get away with this stuff? And that's how I feel about the Comex markets. All right, so I'm not even going to talk about it. I'd like to thank everybody that watched yesterday's video. And if you didn't watch it, I kind of talked. Ooh, I get a little bit angry, but you know, it happens sometimes. That's yesterday's video. Comex scumbags at it once again. Hit that like and subscribe button too, folks, if you get a chance. Let me go over some comments here from yesterday. Not a lot there. Well, actually, no, not too many comments. Brian's Rick says, why are you trying to steal my Eagles? I should trade my Eagles for your kilos. So as a businessman, what's in it for you? About $1 an ounce or so. If you traded me 100 silver Eagles, I'd make about $100 on that. Overall, I think that's quite a fair profit. And as far as the selling back silver to replace that silver Eagles that you're buying, probably $1 an ounce on that as well. And if you're doing a trade and you're nice to me, even less. So yeah, it's still a great deal, Rick, to sell off your silver Eagles. As far as what's in it for me, what's in it for you? What's in it for you is to be able to trade that stupid high premium that silver Eagles are bringing right now for more silver. That's what's in it for you. And trust me, I'd rather have more silver than a high premium in the long term, medium term, and maybe not so much in the short term. But are you in it for the short term? Probably not. Hey, thanks for watching, Rick. I really appreciate it. Duff says, first, comparing gold to paper money and a pillow is not a fair comparison. Take the average yield in a monthly CD over the last section. Remember 1980? Yeah, but how long were... the question, Duff Gordon, is, yeah, I agree with you. I mean, you could pick a little short period of time. You know, if you remember, my gold to paper money and a pillow is a fair comparison over the long haul since 1913, since whenever. Long haul, not over the short haul. And you're absolutely right. 1980, 1 month CDs were 19%. In the short period, if you picked a short period of time in 1980, yeah, 19%, but big frickin' deal. Most of us aren't invested in the short period. Most of us that plan on living a long and fruitful life are in it for the long term. And CDs at 19% for a short period of time certainly wasn't going to keep you up with the long-term inflation like gold and silver would. Anyway, thanks for commenting, Gordon. That's just my opinion, and that's really about it. With the ratio 1 to 85, why do you mention gold? I cannot imagine seeing 85 rounds limit. Yeah, I know. Silver is so cool, and seeing 85 silver rounds lined up to 1 ounce of gold, I get it. And I honestly, I am more stacked in silver than I am gold as well, but I'd like the idea of mixing it up. Gold's been around as a wealth preservation for how long? Also think about this. Central banks do not own silver. They own gold, okay? So I want to own what the central banks owns and the elite and all that stuff. So I believe in mixing it up, but do I believe that silver is probably going to be, at some point, the way better deal by multitudes? Yeah, absolutely. Anyway, thanks for commenting again, Duff. I appreciate that. Buy stock says don't get mad. Buy even more silver. Absolutely agree. What's up, Michael? Evening report. A toast to all of you with my red wine here. I think it's what is it? A Spain, a red wine from Spain. Not too bad actually either. Cheers to everyone out there. Here, I'll take my own glass for all of you. Aha, spam risk on my phone. Sorry about all those calls tonight. Normally don't keep my phone right next to the computer here. Default Apocalypse says, I don't think it is overpriced in the current environment when everything is priced in fiat. I'm not even going to read any further because I absolutely agree with you, and I just read the rest of your comment anyway. So, run out the Federal Reserve. Yeah, be well. You too, Welco Services. If Russia, China, and India set up their own COMEX, sparks would fly. They already are. They're going to. I don't know what kind of competitive marketplace it would be, but no less, regardless of what game any country, any corporation, any entity plays, gold and silver and platinum are all about wealth preservation. They've been around for 5,000 years. No matter what anyone says, I don't think you can go wrong putting money into gold, silver, and platinum as far as wealth preservation. As far as getting rich quick, I say suggest on your own knowledge and your own business to do that. That's probably the smartest thing to do. $20 bill 50 years ago. Oh, how many people sneeze during the shows? Oh man, kicking up some dust here. I'm in my little tiny office. I'm not down in the store right now doing the video. I'm in my little storage room office here doing a video, and I just moved a bunch of stuff around, so I'm sure it's dusty. There's my excuse. Duracon, Gold Standard Restoration Act will never pass. I have to agree with you. This will continue until comics is busted. Stack more and enjoy the awakening of man. I agree 100%. Look at what SD is charging for buffaloes. Like, what the F? I'll still beat them by at least 25 cents per ounce, D-man, but you're right. 1 ounce increments are really, really super high in their premiums. Best deals, again, are kilo bars out there. Stephen W. says, watch the video on where a guy had a maple leaf and he was trying to trade it for ice cream or water. Yeah, people don't understand gold. That's exactly what we talked about in last night's video. The idea that someone's going to go out there and eat with their gold and silver, trade it for bread, or trade it at the local market is just ludicrous. And again, if you're not sure what Stephen and I are talking about, watch last night's video. Christopher says, should I sell or change my junk silver for generic rounds? Absolutely. The premium on junk silver is even considerably higher, but your best deal is going to be kilo bars or hundreds if you can find them, not 1 ounces. Although if you have enough silver eagles or junk silver, yeah, you can trade it and make a good deal. Check with your local dealer. If you live in South Florida, come by and see me, Christopher McCormick. Liquid, thanks for watching too. Liquid Electrum says you are a modern day pirate. Oftentimes, if I ever believed in a past life, I often think that I believe that I was a pirate in a past life because of the fact that I like gold and silver, coins, jewelry, and all that interesting stuff. I love the ocean. I love boats, especially sailing ships and stuff like that. So you kind of nailed it. Again, if I believed in past lives, I believe I was a pirate. So Liquid Electrum, I think you actually nailed. And when the crap really hits the fan, definitely come to Florida here, swim out the breakers, and I'll probably be out there with you. Hey, thanks for watching. Hostile One, great info. You was get 100 gram. I read this earlier. Hostile jewelry is not a great deal unless you can buy jewelry for the melt prices, and even jewelry at melt, you might get a significant discount when you go to sell it. It just depends on the dealer that you're working with. But no, you're, especially if you have something custom made, it's going to cost you a fortune. Not a good bullion choice. If you want a piece of jewelry, buy a piece of jewelry because you want to wear it and you think it's kind of cool. That's great, but you're going to lose a lot of money doing it. Stick with bullion products, and then again, you can't buy jewelry and expect to make money the same way you would a Kruger and a gold bar. That's just my opinion. Well, anyways, that's it, folks. I'd like to thank everybody from Wall Street Silver out there. You guys keep stacking. You are just absolutely wonderful. And the people that moderate Wall Street Silver, I'd like to thank you for hosting my videos and allow me to post my videos up there. And if you're also viewing from this particular website right here, website, as well as YouTube, thank you as well. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And that's really about it. My saying is, think for yourself, question authority. Of course, you know why I say this all the time. And if you don't, look it up for yourself tonight. This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals at conciergebullion.com. If you're buying more than 100 ounces of gold, more than 2,500 ounces of silver, please call us at, here's the phone number right here at conciergebullion.com. You can go to the website, but 954-302-2046. Again, if you live anywhere in the continental U.S. and you're buying more than 2,500 ounces of silver, more than 100 ounces of gold, call us here. If you live in South Florida, here's our brick and mortar store, commercial rare coins and precious metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. We're open 10 to 4 Mondays through Fridays, same location since 1995. And of course, you know, I've been doing this since 1977, second generation dealer. Got a lot of experience, happy to help you with whatever you need. Well, anyway, that's it. Gonna go grab a bite to eat, call it a day, and hope you have a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.